Good morning. We should be live. It's been a minute since I've been live, guys. Um, we did just take our previous day's low, so I mean, I obviously am expecting this as a draw. I'll say why I'm overall bullish, but basically this is what I'm looking for today. High time frame, obviously. As you can see, we have inversed this for value gap here on Tuesday of last week, and we just been like slowly, steady going up higher. We do have news at 10 today, guys. So what does that mean? We're just gonna wait until then because we could probably just consolidate into news. I like that we did just take out previous days high. That's really nice. I wish it wasn't like during news because I would have low-key taken it during the 950 macro. But we have news, so it might work today. We might just go from here after during news, or more times than not, in my case, we go down one more time and then go up. So I'd rather just get in between this tick of a low, or just a little minor low. Anything really that will confirm after 10. So yeah, other than that, I am bullish, guys. I am bullish for the day. We don't really have a huge new range opening gap today. We just filled it in, I believe. No, close enough, but yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Same thing with ES. Let me see ES. Oh wow. Okay, so ES didn't take up previous low. Interesting. Well, that's good, I guess, for me. I gotta save this layout, dude, because it keeps referring back to regular trading hours. Oh, let me just mark it down real quick. So yeah, I am looking for. I mean, we do have SMT here, but I won't pay attention too much right now with that. But again, it's looking nice. I'll just wait a little patient. I'm not gonna have FOMO. Let me just open up my Top Step X account real quick. I might just take these in both combine. Okay. I'm my main one. I'm gonna mute that real quick, my bad. We do have a 5. Again, we do have some teeth with previous is low. I'm gonna write that down real quick. It is something important for me to note down. Okay. So ideally, ES is the stronger one. Ideally. So again, this is what my TPs will be looking like, but we'll see. What time is it? 9:48. Yeah, I'm not gonna take a trade, guys. I'm really just gonna have to wait till news. If news decides to freaking just send us flying, then so be it. But already have a 5-minute change to state of delivery. For me, a 5-minute is usually like an ideal point for me. Like really start. For me, it's like the beginning of structure beginning to change. So I kind of expect it to hold now. If we like just play around here and then during news we just take another pump, then I would probably just consider like this being a safe stop loss. But My tummy's hurting. Well, not hurting, sorry, it's grounding. M5 POI. So I'm just gonna wait to news, guys. I'm not gonna be impatient, really. My eyes freaking hurt, dude. How do we mute this? Oh, there we go. Alright, so again, I'm just waiting to 10, guys. I'm not gonna push anything at the moment. I really need to start picking and choosing my what's the word called? My pivot points of attacking, like a battlefield. You don't just want to go in there and attack and get wrecked. You just want to be patient. So again, we already rebalanced this, so that's a pretty good POI to get in from, but ooh, man. Alright. Sorry, let's lock in now. Okay, that's gonna be suckish, but whatever. Look at 2 minutes. Wow, I think he's ripping right now. Yes. Wow. I don't even think it rebalanced 50% of that range. Holy cow. Oh, it did. Yeah, I guess it's like OTE. Yeah, OTE. That's crazy. Thing is just ripping. I would just rather wait until 10. Hopefully in 10 we get a nice What's it called? A nice pullback or so. That kind of sucks. Hopefully we get a retracement, but it looks like we're not. It's too damn bullish. Oh, we'll see what happens. We do have a 5-15 minute change of state now, which is really cool. But yeah, we're really looking bullish now. Again, I'd rather just wait for a rebalance or something like a quick. We'll just be patient. It's funny, I just now opened up my chat. Oh my gosh, that's funny. Alright, I want to put some music on, but I don't know what. Let me see something. I want to put my fib from here to here. Buy. Limit 50%. Stop loss would be here technically. With 8. I think I might just gonna set a limit order. If this had to pull back at 10 o'clock. I'm thinking about going with low key ES. Yeah. Alright, so I'm just waiting. I'm thinking about just setting up a limit order on VR5 and just letting it rock, whatever. I am aware it might be a 5 minute, so no. The hour has finally now shifted. Let me see the 4 hour. Here's equal highs. Yeah, I'm thinking about just setting a limit order. Or I don't know actually, because do I really want it to pull back here? Nice. 10 is here, guys. Oh, 10 a.m. news is coming up soon. What would it be? Revision, order block. Bro, what is NQ doing right here, big boy? Wow, that's funny. Let me just wait till news or something. Where's the first presented here? The first presented fair value gap is here. Yeah, it's not even a question to be coming down here anymore, but to a 2 minute. We might just go up high from here, but I think you really gotta start catching up. I'm just gonna wait, guys, for 10 a.m. Hey, shout out to the person who dropped a like. I appreciate you, homie. Yeah, it's just straight up buzzing right there. Yeah, it looks like we are gonna send this one higher, but I wonder where how many stop loss would be somewhere here, and then probably with like 3. I gotta see where I buy though. I gotta send an alarm here for yes. Price. Crossing up. What would the message be? ES London. Hi. Again, so we are already thinking, so if we could have a nice closure above this, I would want this to be the closure and then have a new pullback into a continuation higher. Again, we do have S&Ts here. That's why I'm saying ES technically is a stronger one, and you can tell it is, but I have a feeling Nenki would have to approach it, so, or catch up to it, as you may say. So that's what I'm waiting for, really. Too messy. Yeah, I'm just waiting for next closure again, and then continue higher. Would be my TP1, TP2, 10. What? Okay, 10's here. What did we do at 10? Nothing. Alright, guys, we're right here at 10. We haven't really done much, but alright, here's 10 a.m. I'm gonna wait a little longer. I am so close to just slapping a thing here. I want to see strong closure above this high. Why? So then whatever this range is, for example, you have a thingy and a pullback, then I would put this as my stop loss, I guess. There we go. There we go. Okay. Ah, fuck, but we better hit NQ. We better hit London High. I gotta be careful here, though. Really careful now. I do think we will go to the upside, but I gotta be very careful here. We are 50% of the range. We did just take it, so I gotta be careful here. what should I do? I need strong closures confirming that this will continue going higher. I do not want to see it go down here lower no more. I'm gonna see what happens here. Does it react nicely or does it react kind of trashy? Buy, limit, stop loss would probably have to be here, but I gotta be patient here. I don't like getting inverted this already. Damn, we're just at so much stronger with thingy, but if we can have nice closures, like I wouldn't mind continuing looking for longs, but I would definitely need to start seeing like this like hold up, I guess. Mm-mm. That's what I'm saying. I didn't want to see this. This is now a breaker to go lower. I'm gonna be very patient, guys. I'm not looking for shorts. We already took out previous day's low too, so I'm only looking for long, guys. That's my buy for today, and I'm not switching. I'm done with that BS. Unless it's like fucking clear, I'm not gonna. What time is it? 10:09. time is it? Good morning, guys. Drop a like if you guys haven't. Let's get it. Uh, Again, so I just don't like structure right now. We did take out on a high, so it's like, oh fuck, dude. This is looking like a reversal now here. We did reverse this fair value gap. We do have a breaker now. So I mean, if you want to go for this short, go for it. But I don't like it no more. I mean, we're gonna go for this for long short, go for it. I just don't want to do that. Ideally, this would look better if we were looking for higher time frame PDRAs. But in my opinion, since we took out previous day low already, you know what I mean? I personally wouldn't do it no more. Unless if we had it, then yeah, sure. But we already did, so you know. My bias is up here, not here. We're already within 2 standard deviations as well. That's what I'm saying. Like I want this to be a reversal, so I'd rather just wait. Really. What could happen as well is we might just like take around some minor liquidity here, and then continue going higher, which is that's where I'd rather be waiting for. You know, we could just retrace. Hopefully I don't want to see this get taken out, but I mean if we do, then perhaps we could play something like that. But yeah, we're just gonna wait at this point. We're just gonna wait. What time is that? That was a good move though if you caught it, but like I said, I'm not rushing into anything right now. This is for me an inversion right now, so mark it for what it is. Ideally, you want to stay below 50% of this if you are looking for the short. I'm not looking for short. I'm too tired to take a trade. I'd rather just see it get inversed. Again, we're just playing around here. I definitely want to wait and see something. Stop loss would probably have to be. I don't even. That's the thing. If I don't know where my stop loss is, I guess here really, because you wouldn't really want the trade to come against you here no more. But I would want to see. And it's also below 10 a.m. Yeah, I'll probably put it there. Probably go with 2 though, because it is low probability now. Or even low key, I would rather wait till this gets taken out. But then that would be huge stop loss, homie. Like I don't even know I want to do that. But sorry. That's a huge stop loss. But I mean, we do kind of have long targets, so. Where would be TP1 would be London High, which would be here. I mean, it's not bad, but it's like. I just gotta wait. I'm gonna wait. To see what price wants to do here. Alright. We are going below 10 a.m. open again, so that's kind of trashy, I guess. But again, I really don't want to. I want to see this leg out preferably. Again, like I guess if we could take out minor sell stops. Oh, sorry. Like minor liquidity, like a quick thingy, and then quickly start showing inversions to the upside, then I would probably take that. But now I would low-key want to see this thingy above here though. So we can convert this again, convert it back into a reclaimed fair value gap. But I would need liquidity to be taken out first. I wouldn't feel comfortable just What's the first percentage for? Here's the first percentage. I'm just waiting right now, guys. I'm just waiting. I don't know what to do right now, so. I do think we go higher from here, but I really just wait for something to show me why it wants to go higher. Right now it's just playing around too much, so. Shish. This 1 hour sucks ball sack. Trying to close above these highs, so just gonna wait, guys. Just gonna wait. Damn. So right now, what I'm technically just waiting for is perhaps an equilibrium to go higher, right? And during this one, we just sweep like minor buy side and continue going higher. That's essentially what I'm waiting for right now. I did lower my risk. I don't think it's worth as much as it should have been originally. Like if we were somewhere here, then if this wasn't like during news, like if this was during news, if there was no news here, I would have entered here somewhere here, like during the 950 macro really. But we just didn't, and I would have just entered alpha the equilibrium really. So I would have been like somewhere here. The stop loss obviously would have been here, but the problem with that is we had news at 10, so I just couldn't get before that. Couldn't position myself before that. So I think it was like somewhere here. Let's just enter somewhere here. Stop loss here. I'll probably put it here. There's not really. There's more PD right now, and obviously I would have been up a good R, but we did have news, dude. We did have news, and I just couldn't pull the trigger, I guess. So. I would obviously want to stay price above here. I don't want it to stay amount here because then we would just create more PD raise to the downside, and then if we could just respect the order block, inversion, like to me that's ideal. You know, ideally you just want to respect. We could wick them, which is fine. It's cool, but I prefer to stay around this up. Yikes, that's crazy. What time is it? I really just wait, guys. I'm not gonna take a trade. But the problem is, right? Let's say I enter here, right? I'll really just wait till the 1050 macro. I'm just gonna wait. This perhaps might have been the breakaway gap. The thing is, I was like, That's not good. That's not good. Bro, that's not good. That is not good, dude. That is not good. Did close above that, but how good can it happen? I don't know. I don't know. So, give me a sec, guys. Alright, right now it's trash, guys. I'm not doing anything right now. I would need this to hold for sure now, this level right here. If we are gonna continue high, like I really want to see this 50% equilibrium be reached, and then boom, back to the upside, baby. Like I said, I wanted to see manipulation first. I want to see something clear. Like I want to see something from here get taken out. You know, something nice, like boom, and an immediate reversal. That would make me feel much more confident. Yes, it did finally just where's it going? Drop. Ah, let's go. We did just hit 50% of that. I'll take it off. I already. Oh man. Nice. Okay. I still don't like the. I just don't like this because we don't even have it. Like we didn't take anything crazy. Like okay, that's looking nice. I'm thinking about what do I do? Should I wait till 10:50 or should I just 11:10? I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna see what happens here in this rejection, I guess. Let's see what it does here. We do have a change of state here now, which is nice. We do finally, I wanted to say above this one, so. The question though is now, oh shit. One, two. I'm gonna wait and see. How's the thingy candle looking like though? The 5 minute. Nice. This price is really choppy though. Yeah, I'm gonna go for it with less risk. Let me see the 3 minute candle. What the fuck, dude? Alright. I would need to see a rejection here. Strong rejection. If it closes nicely and thing, then I would consider long here. Where's the 10 a.m. price here? Yeah, I'll probably put my stop loss below here. I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna just wait and see what happens here. If it shows me a nice rejection, I'll continue going higher. Nice rejection there. We did just take a buy side again here. I'm gonna go with 3. Alright, I'm going for it, guys. I only put a small risk behind it. I just like my stop loss is really basically here. I like this rejection. Let's see what's up though. Sell limit of 3. Sell limit. It's also below the 10 a.m. So if it is going to be truly bullish, then I really just want to see a pump from here. Alright guys, I'm in this. Bro, if it inverses, then I'm just gonna get out. Like, there's no point of me trying to hold this shit. Where's 10 a.m.? Is here. Stop is before here. What time is it? Stop is below 10 a.m. opening price. Alright, bro, I'm gonna give it one more chance, dog. I ain't gonna lie. Like, if it doesn't get past here, I'm probably gonna cut it off. Oh, sorry, my entry's here. My stop loss is here. But mentally, like, if we close below this reversion, like, I'd rather just close, bro. Like, there's no point. Just pin around right now. I'm just waiting to see how it closes. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I really just close and wait. I'm gonna close. I'm gonna just wait till 10:50. It's just not moving. I wanted to see this like expand here. It didn't. $10.40. I closed the trade, guys. It just wasn't making any sense to me, in my opinion. Bro, that's annoying. What the fuck? I'd rather just wait 10:50. Wow, that's annoying. Either way, I'm still gonna wait. What is that, midnight opening? Yeah, midnight opening. It's a nice trade, midnight opening, but I just didn't like that it closed here, that's why. If it would never close up a little bit and then this, I would have kept it, but I closed. I might enter with half risk again, but I don't know. I'll see. And this would definitely be a stop again. But I would have to enter somewhere here again. The thing is, we're just not getting any fucking closures, though. You know what I mean? We're just getting wicks, and then now yeah, I'm not entering this. I really just wait till 10:50. I really just wait till 10:50. Taking too long. It doesn't make sense to me now. I wanted to see heat. Once we saw this, you know, I was waiting to see a reaction, right? So I saw a nice reaction here. That's why I got it like here. I saw this wick go up at one point, but then it went here. And then all the way back down, like, bruh. And then this is like my partials and stuff, but it's trash. Whatever. The 1 hour is looking clean now. I do think we could go higher, if I'm being honest. I do think we could go higher to here. Nice. Do you hear like a breaker? The thing we haven't even taken anything though. That's what pisses me off. Okay. Nice closure. It's still worth the risk to reward. We're just waiting to see what happens. Two minutes. Nice. Nice 5 minutes. Let's see what happens here though. Maybe we leave a 5 minute right here, fair value gap. And then we just want to go higher there. The thing I just obviously don't like at all, it's the during this. The 2 minutes isn't like too bad, like auto vlog. I would want to see this one send us higher or keep us higher above it. I want to see a reaction. Oh shit. Yeah. Okay. I want to see the closure, see what it does. If this fails, I'm done. Don't worry. That should just close above it. But, oh no, it didn't. It inverted it, dude. Take out the previous 15-minute high. Yeah, nah, I'm good. I am good. Just took out the previous 15-minute high. Yeah, I'm good. GG, we're looking for that. Whatever. 10:48. I'm good, guys. I'm not thingy. I'm gonna take the short in my other account. Hold up. I'm selling this. I'm entering a shorts in the other one, guys. Thinking it wants to go to again sweep out this. Sweep out a lot of lows, really. We do have this 5 F1 FBG. We have this change of state. This fair value gap. My stop loss should be. Bruh, you fucking kidding me? I got stopped out of that. We did just take out south side during that drop. Okay. Alright. I'm going for this long, guys. On I don't want price dropping all the way anymore. On the 2 minute looks a little better. But I definitely don't. We finally inverse this again. We have a BPR now, so I definitely, and we just took out the south side here. Right here. This is my last trade for the day. I literally bought the top tick, that's funny. Like here. My stop loss is here. But I am going for these targets right here, so. Bet, okay. Alright, we're just tapping back into this. I re-entered this, basically. During the 1050 macro, so I definitely want to start seeing expansion. I need to start seeing expansion now. For sure. We'll see what happens though. There we go. Nice. So far, so good. I mean, but I want to start seeing expansion, dude. Like now. I only start seeing strong closures up. Bro. Come on. Open, open. Alright. So 11 a.m. is coming up. This is London High. The thing is, I don't want to see any flirting around midnight open. Like, I really just want to start seeing expansion. You are so dressed. Price. 11 a.m. Come here. Come on. Nice. Remove risk. I'm just trying to play out, I guess. I do want to know where. Do I want to get a 101? I'm gonna take one off. Hold up. Let me see something. Hold on, guys. I took one off like here, guys. I moved my stop loss to here. So now it should thingy. How the 5 minute close? I don't like that wick. I'm waiting for this close to continue going higher. I want to see this continue pushing up higher. I'm gonna see what happens here. I'm gonna see how it reacts here. Ugh. We're tapping on top 5 and I just realized. From this outer block to this outer block. Yeah. I'm just waiting really to see what happens here. I'm looking at the I'm gonna sell one. I sold one. Sell limit. Keep pumping. Keep pumping. I'm just waiting, guys. Like, I don't know. Like, I really don't know. Excuse me. Look at the bodies. Yeah, let me just hold it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Yeah, the only thing I'm just gonna be a little worried about is this, like sweeping out the previous 4 hours highs. But I mean, I'm just waiting for this at this point. Okay. I'm gonna take one off. I sold one, guys. That's whatever. I'm waiting now. We were so close, but so far away. Bro, Enki was crazy working today. He was strong, bro. Look at this shit. I'm a club. I'm a close. I closed. Bruh.
I'm already out of the trade, but I'm just like preparing. I'm just getting myself like used to like seeing this play without me, even after I get out. That's annoying. The macro. That is crazy. That is fucking crazy. Oh my god. Get back to the other block. My past point is fine. Um, I'll probably end the stream here, guys. I don't know. I entered here. When this happened, I entered a little bit above the FEG, like somewhere here. So this is my trade for the day, basically, like somewhere here. My stop loss was basically this, and then I was trading as we went up, just because of something like this. I was trading up because of the way we were just moving so out of sync with the ES we had taken out here, and then yeah, it was just very hard to try to get to him, but it is what it is otherwise. Nonetheless, we did get a W, small W, but W regardless. So whatever.